Hi guys, how are you doing? Guys, today I will be baking hazel home cake with you guys. I hope you will like it. Just stay tuned and keep watching. I just want to show my face a little bit. Come, let me show you how to make this wonderful cake. Just bake with me. You're gonna like it. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. I saw your wonderful comments. God bless you. Continue sharing my videos and giving me a thumbs up whenever you finish watching my video. God bless you. So let's dive into baking today. Today is a baking day. Mwah.
So guys, today we are going to be baking hazelnuts for the family. This hazelnuts, this is the, you can see here, that is what we're going to be using to bake. And we have butter here. We are going to use the for my familiar butter. This butter has omega 3+6 vitamin D and E. It's very nice for the family. We're going to be using our baking powder, our vanilla sugar, and our 2 eggs. And yeah, we're going to also be adding this aroma. It is a lemon. So this is our flour, all-purpose flour, and our brown sugar, and our milk. We're going to use different types of milk, and just keep watching. Let me show you how I'm going to come to this wonderful healthy cake for the family. We will first of all bring out our butter. We're going to bring out our butter, the quantity we are going to use. If you have something to measure, you can measure it. I don't have something to measure. We're not going to use much. Just this is how many, this is 500 grams. Just say we are using 300 or 200 grams, guys. So I'm going to melt this and keep so watching. As I am melting the butter, I will bring out sugar. I don't like putting much sugar on my cake. Yeah, if there is any way I can skip a sugar, I can do that, but you know, you have to use sugar, right? So this is the sugar, half cup of sugar. I will add it here, and also I will break my 2 eggs, and I will add it also here. So our butter is melted here. I set it aside. I will mix the, I'm using milk. This is condensed milk. I want this our cake to taste well. I'll be mixing it with also 3.5% fat. Yes, so this is the milk I'm going to use. I will add the milk here, and I will go ahead to so I'll not forget to add butter here. Let's mix them together. A thorough mix until you know that it's all have mixed together. Okay, and now transfer it in where we are going to mix it. Yeah, so this is our mixture. We will go ahead now to add our vanilla sugar, and I will add the aroma. That is lemon aroma, and I'll go ahead to add our baking powder. I do add 1 pack of baking powder, And don't forget to add a pinch of salt in it. And I will mix it together. And this is our hazelnut. So I go ahead to add it before I can add our all-purpose flour. I add 1 pack of hazelnuts and I will mix. Then before I can add the all-purpose flour, so we're going to measure our all-purpose flour. We're going to add so we are going to shift it so that it can be easy to mix together. This cake is so delicious and very nice. I like using nuts to bake my cake. You see how the color looks, guys? Do you like it? I don't know you, me, I like this. I like this. I love this. I love this. I have to add a little bit, just a little bit, not much. Yes. And mix this very properly before we can add it in our baking pan. So I see that it's a little bit thick. I add a little bit of milk. I don't think it is bad idea. Yeah, it is not a bad idea. I have to mix it very nicely to rhyme together before I can add it to the pan. I just want to show you every down thing I do here step by step, so that you can also test it or try it at home and see what you're going to get. Okay, I will show you every down thing I do. Yes, I will get my, I've already buttered my pan. I will add it here. So our today recipe, we are going to greet people who have been watching. There are a lot of people who are watching. I'm greeting people from Brazil. A lot of people are watching me from Brazil. I will make sure I get their name. As I'm saying now, you will see their name there. And also people from USA, they are watching my video a lot. I give a shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for engaging on my video. God bless you all. God bless you. Your names, I will list your names out there and also say thank you so much. God bless you for watching and subscribing to my channel. God bless you all. So guys, now you see the main hazelnut that have seed. I will open it now. I will open it now and I will take some and spray on top of our cake. Okay, not too much, just a small. Yes. So now we will go ahead to add it in our baking oven. Just keep watching. So we're going to close and also on it. We put it in a baking side. You see here. I will add it to the baking. Yeah, then I on it. I will come to you when it's finished baking. Okay, our cake is done, guys. Let's just cut it and see how it is done. Yeah, our hazelnut cake homemade is done. Homemade is the best, guys. Do you see it? So yummy and delicious. I love this. My family love this cake so well. Let me test it, guys. Let me show you. Let me tell you the outcome. So delicious. Do you see it? I love it so much, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Share my videos, okay? So yummy. Oh my God.